Hi everyone, Gagajoy, and I'm glad you dropped in today. Such a pretty day. Today we're going to be making focaccia bread. Now don't panic, don't run. This is probably a bread that even a 12-year-old can make. Yeah, if I can make it, anybody can, because it's got 4 ingredients. It's got 2.5 cups of water, a pack of yeast, 5 cups of flour, and then on the side is the honey and the salt. But here's the thing about it. You don't have to butter flour your top of your counter or anything. It goes from bowl to bowl. And then from that bowl to the pan. So, I mean, it's a very easy bread to make, and it's a clean bread to me. But rolling the bread out and cutting it and putting it in the pan makes a big mess. But this doesn't. And believe me, it's worth the time. It is time consuming, but you don't have to do anything during that time except just watch it. Now, I put in my 2.5 cups of water, I put 1 package of yeast. And about 5 minutes ago, just so it can start working. And it's already foaming up. Next is I'll put a little bit of salt before I put the flour in it. About a teaspoon of salt, about 2 tablespoons of honey, just eyeball it, and we'll start putting the flour in. This is an Italian bread. Of course, I'm not Italian, but we can all be Italian when it comes to making bread, don't you think? Especially when it's good bread. This is bread that everybody loves. It's different than rolls. It's got a crust on it, olive oil. And like I said, it's quick and easy. Doesn't make hardly any mess, unless it's me and flour. I make a pretty good mess with flour. I should have worn an apron. Probably. Now, here's our second bowl. We're through this. Put olive oil. I would put a good 1/4 of a cup. Because actually the olive oil in this bread is really important. Okay. Now, we're going to put the bread in here. Sort of. Now, that's it. That's it. Now, and I'm going to cover it with plastic and put it in the refrigerator for 24 hours. After that, you get it out. Put it in your pan. You don't even have to cut it, roll it, or anything. No kneading. You just put it in your pan and let it raise for an hour and you're through. That's pretty easy. And it's so worth it. So, it says from 18 to 24 hours. Mine's probably not going to be able to go that long, but at least I'm going to shoot for it. And because of the way how late I did it in the day and in the morning. So, where's the plastic? I'm on my way to get some more. I love this wrap. It sticks regardless. If you like bread, you're going to love this. So to the refrigerator it goes till in the morning about 8. Well, this is where the fun begins. So, now your children would love to do this. It has to have, you mash it down with holes. A lot of holes. I'm going to have to hurry this through because it's about to run down. I put a little bit of Italian seasoning on mine. A lot more of this. That's why I said your olive oil is specifically in this. And I put a little bit of salt. Onion salt. A little bit of garlic. I got the oven on 375. And we got Focaccia Bread. In about 20 minutes. After about an hour, you take your fingers and you just push your fingers in like that, all around, and you put olive oil on top of it, and I put Italian seasoning. My house smells like a bakery, a good bakery, and it turned out beautifully. See how the texture and everything is. It's just barely warm now though, but it's so good. And that's all I can say, how good it is. And if you'll notice, you can split this open and cut like a sandwich piece. It's so crunchy too. Cut it in two. And make you the best sandwich you've had. All those good spice and everything. Anyway, have a nice evening. Take care of yourself. See you soon. And remember the joy. You can bring a lot of joy to people's lives sometimes by just smiling at them or giving them a call. See you soon. Bye.